Hi, I'm Marna, and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I cannot wait to show you this dress on my doll. I, along with 5 other channels in a collab, did a Christmas dress based on the new holiday dress, the 2025 holiday dress on the American Girl doll site. The channels that have joined me are Tina at Tina's Reborns, Penny at Playful Doll Adventures, Karen at Starts and Stitches, and Dory at Dory's Dollies. You really are going to want to go see every single outfit in this collab because these ladies are top crafter. So this is how collabs often start. You buy items you want for the idea. When I set up collabs, and I did set up this one, I don't have a clue what I'm going to do. It's just an idea, and I just go with it. And then when the idea hits me of what I'm going to do, oh, look how nice she's wrapped. Good thing, because I paid a lot for her. Anyway, I don't have an idea, but I start gathering stuff and thinking about it, and it all comes around. Oh, wow, look at this. She's even got her hair net. Oh, she was worth it. I paid a little bit more for this doll than I normally do for an American Girl doll. Used, I buy them all pre-loved, but look at her pretty, gosh, she smells good. I mean, she smells good. And she has her hairnet and her shoe. This was the big deal. This was the clincher of the sale. She has her gold shiny shoes. Boy, she's cute. I don't even think she needs much of a bath. And she has her American Girl, I want to say, uh-oh, it's caught in her Velcro. That's a bad thing about Velcro. It does grab stuff. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, boy. Oh, no, it's in the sequins. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, let's look at her hair and I'll deal with this. Wait a minute. I think I got it. All right, let's put that there. I wanted the long hair, blonde hair. I wanted blue eyes, but they were more expensive. Blue-eyed blondes of the American Girl dolls sell for at least 30% more, 20% more than any of the other dolls. I fell across this one. I debated. We went to antique stores and they were ridiculously priced. And I said, you know what? I'm buying that doll when I get home.
Like
she
new prices.
is a little loose, but you know what? Since she's going to be in a stand, I know that American Girl dolls do not need stands. However, if you've ever had one fall, they fall and they take everybody else down with it all around. I mean, any dolls, not just other American Girl dolls, but any dolls. So I like a stand. Let's see if she even needs a bath or if I'm just going to be. She smells good. Like, she smells like a doll. She smells almost new. Like a doll that's been in a glass case. That's what she smells like. Like, not new, but not like it's like new. How's that? Oh, I love the little shoes. Okay, so that's the doll, and I want to curl the hair and pierce the ears, and boy, I want to be careful with these packages. I think this is what I'm looking for. Yep, I got some gold star charms. I think I don't know, it's a handful. It's good enough. I want to make earrings. I want to put that on her necklace, and I want to put that on her bracelet. And this, I want to really be careful on, you know what? I'm tearing. I bought, oh, it's pretty. Oh, it's very, very pretty. I want to see how sheer it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I was looking for. That is just what I was looking for. Hang on. Let me show you what I created. Okay, so I have my solid fabrics. I have my tool. I have shoes. However, I am going to learn to make shoes. I took a stab at it, and I used the boot top. What I want to do is take this pattern and cut that back and see if I can make a shoe pattern. I looked online, but I didn't like what I found. How I'm going to do this, there's about 4 ways that you could do this. And I think for me, the best way will be not to put these back to back and turn it inside out because I don't want any seam showing. I think I'm going to cut out my pieces, like cut out the front, cut out the front, and then cut this out and take my zigzag stitch around it and use that like my panel. For me, because it's tulle and it walks and everything else, I think that will be the best way. It's not a hard dress, the one I'm going to make. I'm just going to use this top pattern and then do my skirt just by measurement, and hopefully I'll get it right. And then gather it. And that's all I'm going to do for the dress at this point. I wanted to show you that I was thinking of doing the crown, the tiara. I thought about having Darren print one, and I thought, you know, I really kind of like the bow on the back. Let's just tighten it and cut it. Where is, I should probably iron this. This actually came to me on a Happy Mail, and I saved it to reuse. I just love that. All right, I made her this necklace with the AG, star that the American Girl doll uses, and this bracelet. I wanted to show you the dress. I did the light colored tan top with a little darker light brown bottom, bodice, and then I covered it with this beautiful tulle that I found on eBay. I have 2 snaps in it, and I need to hand press this a little more. I don't iron this type of mesh. I don't iron mesh unless I absolutely have to tulle, because it'll melt if you don't do it right, and you need fabric between it. And by doing that, I'm doing a little hand pressing, finger pressing. But let's get this on her. My reveal is the first time I've seen her just getting her dressed. I use a different doll as a mannequin, but this is the first time I've seen it on my blonde that I bought for this collab, and I gotta tell you, I love it. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and that it is based on the American Girl doll site dress. I'm very pleased. Thank you so much for watching, but before you go, 2 things. Darren made this stand, and I love it. I think it's so appropriate. That's what she will be displayed in, along with, oh, what was that? Oh, what was that? Tomorrow's video. Please come back to see it. Thank you so much to Karen, Dory, Penny, and Tina for joining in this fun collab. I cannot wait to see your dresses. I'm sure everyone else will want to see it. And we will have everyone's names so you can follow the links and go from one dress to the next. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
She turned out beautiful.
I love you. Thank you.
Good job.
P.S. I forgot to show her little shoes. One of the reasons I bought this particular doll was because she had these high shine, sparkly, beautiful, strapped shoes. I love them.